quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus with perimeter 52 meters. The length of diagonal AC is 24 meters. What is the area in square meters of rhombus ABCD? Well, this is a problem from 2019 AMC 8A. So how do we start this? So what we can do is draw a more detailed diagram than what's given in the problem. So let's start with a rhombus ABCD. Right, and we know that the perimeter is 52 and the length of diagonal AC is 24. So the perimeter is 52 and the length of diagonal A to C is 24. So the first thing we should do is figure out the length of each side. So in a rhombus, the defining quality of a rhombus is that all sides are equal, right? So if I wanted to find the length of one side, I just divide 52 by 4. 52 divided by 4 is 13. So that means the length of each side is 13. So another important thing about rhombuses is that both diagonals are perpendicular and they bisect each other. So what bisect means is that they cut each other in half, basically. So this portion is equal to this portion, and this portion is equal to this portion. So that means that if the entire length of from here to here is 24, and both these are equal to each other, then that means that the length of one is 24 divided by 2, which is 12. Alright, so now what we can do is use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the third side. Since the diagonals are perpendicular, that means we have a right angle here. So we have a right triangle with leg B 12 and hypotenuse 13. Right, so if you know your Pythagorean triples, you know that 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triple, so the length of this side is 5. Right, if you didn't know that, you can use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, to get 5. And that means, and this portion is equal to this portion, so that means this is also 5. And now an important thing to remember is that the area of a rhombus is 1/2 the product of both diagonals. So d1 times d2 divided by 2. So now we have the length of both diagonals. The length of diagonal AC is 24. The length of diagonal BD is 5 plus 5, 10. So all we have to do is plug that into the formula. And 10 times 24 is 240. Divided by 2 is 120. So that means that our correct answer is option D.